In today's video, we are going to be learning how to crochet this lovely lace stitch. You guys, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel right now, subscribe. I'm posting this video. Subscribe now. Anyway, we're going to be learning how to make this lovely crochet stitch, and I'm serious about subscribing. Please support the hustle. Okay, this crochet stitch is reversible, as you see. Remember that a reversible crochet stitch is a stitch that looks exactly the same on the right side and on the wrong side, which you see that this is that it looks the same on the right side and the wrong side. It is a lace stitch and it is seriously easy. Get your crochet hook, get your yarn, and let us begin this tutorial. For this stitch, chain a multiple of 4 plus 4. And for the sake of the demonstration, I'm going to chain 28. 24 being a multiple of 4, and 4 is the extra chain I'm adding to it. My chain 28 is done now. Okay, so I'm going to start row 1 by doing a double crochet in the 5th chain from the hook. The 5th, I do a double crochet in there. Okay, double crochet in the next chain, and now we're going to do a picot. So to do a picot, you chain 3 and then you slip stitch at the base of the chain 3. That is a picot. It looks like this. That's a picot done. Now we're going to work a double crochet in the next chain, double crochet in the next 3 chains, like 1 double crochet in each of the next 3 chains. Okay, now we have 4 double crochets, as you can see, and we're going to do another picot. Do the picot, you chain 3 and then you slip stitch at the base of the chain 3. Okay, the base of the chain 3 is the top of the double crochet. The picot is done, so we're going to continue doing 4 double crochets picot. When I say 4 double crochets, I mean 1 double crochet in each of the next 4 chains. Okay, 4 double crochets done. Now a picot, chain 3, slip stitch at the base of the chain 3. Okay, let's just continue that till we get to the end, like this. 4 double crochets picot, 4 double crochets picot. Okay, I've just done another 4 double crochets and a picot. Then to finish this row, I'm going to do 2 double crochets, a double crochet in each of the last 2 chains. All right, and with that we have come to the end of row 1. To begin row 2, chain 1 and turn. Then we're going to do a single crochet in this first double crochet, then chain 5, skip 2 double crochets. So you skip this double crochet immediately after the picot and the next, and then you do a single crochet in the next double crochet, chain 5, skip 2 double crochets after the picot, 1 2, and do a single crochet in the next. Okay, we're repeating that, of course. Chain 5, skip 2 double crochets after the picot and do a single crochet in the next. Chain 5, skip 2 double crochets after the picot and do a single crochet in the next. Chain 5, skip 2 double crochets after the picot and do a single crochet in the next. To finish the row, we chain 5 and do a single crochet on top of the chain we did at the beginning of the previous, on top of this chain from the beginning of the previous row. And with that, we are done with our row number 2. To begin row 3, chain 5, 3 4 5, and turn, and work a single crochet in this chain 5 space. Okay, in that space, work a single crochet there, chain 5 again, work a single crochet in the next chain 5 space, chain 5 again, single crochet in the next chain 5 space, chain 5, single crochet in the next chain 5 space, chain 5, single crochet in the next chain 5 space, single crochet in the next chain 5 space. To finish this row, we chain 3 and work a double crochet on top of the single crochet that we did at the beginning of the previous row. With that, we have come to the end of row number 3. Let's go now to row number 4. Chain 1 and turn, work a single crochet in that first double crochet, and then in this single crochet here work 5 double crochets. Five double crochets done, then do a single crochet in the next chain 5 space, this one here, single crochet, chain 5, single crochet in the next chain 5 space, and in this single crochet here we work 5 double crochets. 5 double crochets done, single crochet in the next chain 5 space, chain 5, single crochet in the next chain 5 space, and then in this single crochet we work 5 double crochets. Then single crochet in the next chain 5 space here, chain 5, and work a single crochet on top, work a single crochet in this last chain 5 space. And with that we have come to the end of row 4. We have this. Let's move on to row 5 now, which is the last row. Chain 5, 1 2 3 4 5, and turn. Then work a single crochet in this chain 5 space, chain 3, work a single crochet in this third DC here, the third DC of the 5 DC set from the previous row, chain 3, single crochet in the next chain 5 space, chain 3, single crochet in the third double crochet of the chain 3, single crochet in the next chain 5 space, chain 3, single crochet in the third double crochet. And to finish up this row we are just going to chain 1 and work a double crochet on top of this single crochet that we did at the beginning of the previous row. And with that we have come to the end of row 5. And from here on we're basically going to be repeating everything we did from row 1 to row 5. 6 is a repeat of row 1, and I'm going to do it with you so that you see what I mean. To begin row 6 now, chain 3 and turn. Then in this chain 1 space work 1 double crochet. Then in this single crochet here we put another double crochet, so we have 3 double crochets, 1 2 3. Next up, do a picot. A picot is chain 3 and slip stitch at the base of the chain 3. That is a picot. We're going to work 3 double crochets in this chain 3 space, work a double crochet in this single crochet here. Now we're going to do a picot, which is chain 3 and do a slip stitch at the base of the chain 3. Then 3 double crochets in this next chain 3 space, 1 double crochet in the single crochet like this, then do a picot, 3 double crochets in the chain 3 space. You already know how we're just going to continue now. Then double crochet in the single crochet and a picot, 3 double crochets in the chain 3 space, double crochet in the single crochet and a picot, 3 double crochets in this chain 3 space, double crochet in the single crochet, then a picot. Now to finish up the row we are going to work a double crochet in this space there, a double crochet in this third chain here, 1 2 3, a double crochet in the third chain. And with that we have come to the end of row 6, which, like I've said, is a repeat of row 1. So what you're going to do now is repeat rows 2, repeat row 3, repeat row 4, and you continue to repeat all of the rows from 1 to 5 till you arrive at your desired length for the project. Okay, so go ahead, make your swatch and keep it for the exciting thing we're going to be doing at the end of December. Okay.